Hi, in this quick video I will explain the difference between AI and generative AI. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to technologies capable of performing tasks mimicking human intelligence. AI is already integrated into our daily lives and is used to automate and simplify a variety of tasks. Examples of AI include grammar checking software, autocomplete or autocorrect on your phone, navigation apps, and customer service chatbots. Generative AI, on the other hand, doesn't just mimic intelligence, it can create new content. As such, generative AI mimics human creativity. Importantly, generative AI doesn't just replicate training data. It combines and reinterprets elements in novel ways, producing original works. These original works include a variety of creative content such as text, images, poems, or videos. So remember, AI is used to automate and simplify tasks, while generative AI is used to create new content.